Hi, my dear students. Good morning. I hope all are fit and fine at home. In the previous class, we have completed Every Time I Climb a Tree, this poem, isn't it? And I hope you understood it well. Once again, let's read the poem and then we can go to question answers and other works. Every time I climb a tree. Every time I climb a tree. Every time I climb a tree. Every time I climb a tree, I scrape a leg or skin a knee. And every time I climb a tree, I find some ants or dodge a bee and get the ants all over me. And every time I climb a tree, where have you been? They say to me. But don't they know that I am free? Every time I climb a tree, I like it best to spot a nest that has an egg or maybe three. And then I skin the other leg, but every time I climb a tree, I see a lot of things to see, swallows, rooftops and TV, and all the fields and farms there be. Every time I climb a tree, though climbing may be good for ants, it isn't awfully good for pants, but still it's pretty good for me every time I climb a tree. Who wrote this poem? Who is the poet? David McCord. Now let us do our question and answers. Before writing it, just discuss here. Okay, the first question is, the line every time I climb a tree is repeated in the poem. Yeah, you have noticed that one. Every time I climb a tree is repeated in many places. What does it show? Do you know its answer? Yeah, the line shows that the speaker climbs tree repeatedly. Repeatedly means many times. Okay, repeatedly the speaker climbed the tree, or that little boy. Now listen, next question. What does the speaker mean when he says, but still it's pretty good for me? He get wounded while climbing tree and got and bite everything. Then also still it's pretty good for him. What does it mean? What it means? The speaker got hurt and gets bitten by ants. Still he feels climbing trees are good for him. Now third one, the speaker says, and then I skin the other leg. What does this show? Why does he say the other leg? Why does he say the other leg? What it means? The other leg means that he has hurt one leg. Already he had hurt one leg, and this is the second one, that it means the other leg. Now fourth question is, the speaker mentions many things that are there on the tree. What are they? What he saw on the tree? Many things he are there on the tree. What are they? Yes, the speaker mention ants, bees and nest with eggs. Ants, bees and nest with egg are there on the tree. Now fifth question, what are the different things that the speaker sees after climbing the tree? When he gets on the top of the tree, what are the different things that the speaker sees? Okay, the speaker sees swallows. The speaker sees swallows. Then what? Rooftops. Rooftops and fields. Fields and farm. Okay, Okay, now after watching this video, you can write down these question answers in your notebook. Now think and answer. We don't want this much question answers, so this one we are not doing. Okay, just how do you think the speaker feels about climbing tree? These all questions we have mentioned in the first one also. Okay, now come to see, the speaker uses many words that rhyme with the word tree. List them out. The speaker uses many words that rhyme. Rhyming words means ending the last letters same. That is rhyming words with the word tree. Like these words, these sound and spelling same like tree. List them out. What you want to do? You find out it. Okay, now listen. Tree. Then can you find out the rhyming word of tree here? Yes, one is here. Knee. Knee. Then bee. Okay, next one, free. Next, three. This all you can copy in your notebook. Okay, then here is one more, see. These all words are the rhyming word of tree. Okay, okay, this much. Now here is one work for you that you have to write yourself. What is that? Write a poem of 4-6 lines with the title Every Time I Am With My Friend. What is the heading of our poem? Every Time I Climb a Tree. Same like that, you can write a poem of 4 to 6 lines with the title. What is the heading? Title, Every Time I Am With My Friend. Every time I am with my friend. Okay, to write this one, you read the poem again and again. Every time I climb a tree. Read your poem. See how the speaker talks about his feelings. What are his feelings? The things he sees and does. These all are included in this poem. Okay, and same that way you can write every time I am with my friend. What you do with your friend? What are the feelings when you are playing with your friend? Like this you can include. Okay, you try it, don't worry if it is wrong, no problem, but you try to write a poem. Okay children? Okay, thank you.